How to add Bloxlink to Discord server. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what you pretty much want to do is go to Google, search for Bloxlink, get to the first page, and here we are on the website. So what we want to do is sign in with Discord. So I'm going to click over here, and here I have to sign in with Discord. So we are currently signed in, as we can see, and we want to go to our dashboard. And right over here, it says get started now by linking your Roblox account to Discord. So that's what we actually have to do. So if we click on verify now, we have a couple of different options. So new account information, select verification method. So we can either log in with Roblox, do a game verification or a code verification. So you can choose which one you would like. So here it says you have to join our verification game to verify your Roblox account, or you'll have to copy a code onto your Roblox profile description to verify your Roblox account. So these are up to you. I'm going to go with the login because that's, in my opinion, the most simple one. But if that doesn't work, then try one of these two methods. So I'm going to click next, and this is my account. So I'm gonna click on continue. Here it says your personal profile, and so they have permissions to read the user ID and read your user profile. You have to accept this in order for this to work. So I'll just do that. So then here we can select our servers. Select the ones that you want to, then click on confirm, and we are now finished. So I'm going to return to the dashboard, then to manage servers, and here we can see all my servers. Now, as you might have noticed, when I had to select servers in the verification, there weren't any servers. I don't know why, but now I can actually add the add it to the servers that I would like over here. So these are the two servers that I own, or at least have moderator access to. So I'm going to add it to this server. Then this will pop up, so I have to click on continue. I have to accept all of these for it to work completely fine. Do the captcha thing. And yeah, we have now added this. So now for this one, there's still a plus, but for this one, there is no plus. As you can also see right over here, we can now see that Bloxlink has in fact joined right over here. So now we can go back. If we actually click on our server, we should see all of these settings. Now, here are all the settings that we can change and mess around with. For example, the bind. You can even do magic rolls, like a Bloxlink admin, updater, bypass. We can add a join and leave. So yeah, that is how to add Bloxlink to Discord server.